Wow!
Three, two, one.
Wow! Assalamu alaikum. My first collaboration, USA collaboration, dress it. Find the links in the description below and buy from there. Dressing. Dressing. And this is 14th of June. Happy birthday, Donald Trump, sir. We love you. And this is the flag day as well. We love our flag. We love our flag. Isn't it? Whichever the color we follow more, we love our flag and we are one nation. We do love our flag and we are one nation. Isn't it? Write in comments. We love our president. We love our flag. Write in comments. We are one. We are one. Allah Hafiz. Fiman Allah.